Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Pivot Psyche, a platform where we explore the fascinating world of the human mind. Today, I am thrilled to share with you an insightful video titled 10 Psychological Tricks to Get Her to Like You. The overwhelmingly positive response I received from my previous video on deciphering a girl's interest in you has inspired me to delve even deeper into this captivating topic. In this video, I will provide you with 10 ethical and effective psychological techniques that will naturally ignite a girl's attraction towards you. To begin with, it is crucial to emphasize that these techniques are not manipulative in any way. Instead, they aim to create a genuine and subconscious attraction that will naturally draw the girl towards you. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Number 1 on our list is to have your own life. Building a strong foundation for a great relationship starts with being independent and having a fulfilling life outside of your interactions with the girl. It is important to have your own hobbies, passions, and goals that make you a well-rounded and interesting individual. When you have a life that you are passionate about, it not only makes you more attractive, but also gives you a starting point to connect with the girl on a deeper level. By having your own life, you demonstrate confidence, self-assurance, and a sense of purpose. These qualities are highly appealing to women as they showcase your ability to be content and fulfilled independently. When a girl sees that you are comfortable and happy with who you are, it naturally piques her interest and makes her want to know more about you. Tip number 2, develop an interesting hobby or passion. Having just one passion can make you more intriguing. It adds depth to your character and aligns with the foundation we discussed earlier. Whether it's programming, motorcycling, cooking, or any other activity that genuinely excites you, pursue it wholeheartedly. And, as a bonus, try to create something in the process. By sharing your passions and interests, you create opportunities for meaningful conversations and connections that go beyond surface-level interactions. So, embrace your passions, pursue your goals, and let your unique personality shine through. Remember, authenticity is key to creating a deep and meaningful connection that will make her genuinely like you. Tip number 3, maintain great hygiene. It may seem obvious, but smelling good instantly increases your attractiveness. There is no need to drown yourself in cologne. Just ensure you are presentable and clean. A simple shower, shampoo, deodorant, and clean clothes can go a long way toward making a positive impression. Additionally, taking care of your physical appearance, such as grooming your hair or trimming your beard, shows that you value yourself and take pride in your appearance. Moving on to tip number 4, ask her to do things for you. Now, this may sound manipulative, but it's actually based on a psychological phenomenon called the Benjamin Franklin effect. When someone does something for you, they subconsciously develop a liking towards you. So, don't hesitate to ask for small favors like picking up a pencil or running errands. Tip number 5, cultivate a sense of humor. A good sense of humor is like a magnet that draws people towards you. Being able to make someone laugh not only creates a positive and enjoyable atmosphere, but also showcases your wit and intelligence. So, don't be afraid to crack a joke or share a funny story. Just remember to keep it lighthearted and appropriate for the situation. Also, pay attention to where her eyes go when she laughs. It may indicate her interest in you. Now, on to tip number 6, be her friend. Being in the friend zone is a common concern for many individuals, but it is perfectly acceptable to start off as friends before transitioning into something more. By being her friend, you can show her that you genuinely care about her well-being and happiness. This can be done through thoughtful gestures, such as leaving little notes to brighten up her day, or simply being there for her when she needs someone to talk to. These small acts of kindness can go a long way in building a strong foundation of trust and understanding. Tip number 7, break the touch barrier. While this may seem like a subtle move, it can be an effective way to create a deeper connection with the girl you are interested in. Engaging in harmless physical contact, such as a gentle touch on her shoulder or playing games that require physical interaction, can help to establish a sense of comfort and familiarity between the two of you. By doing this, you are showing her that you enjoy her presence and are not afraid to express your affection in a respectful manner. Tip number 8, share secrets with her. Opening up and revealing something personal can foster a sense of trust and intimacy between you and the girl you are interested in. By sharing something personal, you are allowing her to see a vulnerable side of you, which can encourage her to reciprocate and open up as well. This can deepen the connection and create a bond based on mutual trust and understanding. Just make sure the secrets are something you're comfortable with others knowing, in case she accidentally shares them. Tip number 9, be a good listener. One of the most attractive qualities a person can have is the ability to genuinely listen and understand others. Show genuine interest in others, ask questions, and give your full attention without interrupting or steering the conversation back to yourself. Actively listening shows respect and creates a connection based on mutual understanding. People love to talk about themselves, so asking questions and actively listening to responses shows care and value. This makes her feel special and allows you to learn more about her and find common interests. Showing genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences strengthens the bond between you and her, making her feel heard and understood. Lastly, tip number 10, boost your confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting someone's interest. This can be achieved by believing in oneself, maintaining eye contact, and speaking with conviction. However, it's important to strike a balance between confidence and arrogance. Being humble and approachable allows others to feel comfortable around you. Regular exercise can contribute to building confidence. Not only does exercise have numerous physical health benefits, but it also contributes significantly to mental and emotional well-being. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can help you feel more confident and positive about yourself, making you more attractive to potential partners. These tips are meant to help you establish a deeper connection with her while also showing her that you genuinely care and are interested in her well-being. Remember to always be respectful and considerate in your actions, and let your genuine intentions shine through. Thank you for watching. Everyone, if you found these psychological tips valuable, please click the like button and let me know if I should create more videos on this topic. I am always open to suggestions and ideas from my audience. Your input will guide me in creating more videos that delve deeper into the fascinating world of psychology and its practical applications. Remember to subscribe for more psychologically thrilling content. By doing so, you will gain access to a wealth of knowledge and learn incredible things that can potentially transform your life. Together, we can explore the intricacies of the human mind and unlock its limitless potential. Until next time, bye for now.